So what I'll start with is changing the line probe settings, the laser line probe settings. This will I already set these up, but it's set to automatic metal reflective. I'll just open this so you can see it. Keep this noise threshold as low as possible. This is as low as I can get the width threshold. This peak threshold needs to be at the absolute top here. And normally I would have the reflection filter off. The last measurement we did had it on and it seemed to work okay. We click save, close this box, and then we go to measure, and we do a point cloud. Take the probe. I've tried to line the probe up with the laser line. You might not be able to see it very well on the video, but it just follows this nice straight line. And I try to line it up not way down here, but kind of up here. It kind of gets lost if I try to pick up something down here and move on. And I'll just demonstrate. I hold the button down and just move it back and forth along the strips. And you can see where it's turning red, where the rangefinder should stay that nice intense green color. But where it's flashing red is the laser not tracking a target, right? So here, it's picking up some data, but it's not doing very well because it's not over that FR4. And I would just continue this all the way down to say halfway across the board. And then we stop the measurement. And then we'll look at what our results look like. Close this dialog box. Go to view, turn that font size down. You can kind of see, like, you might not be able to see that, they're very pale. So I'm going to go into the measurement here and click on properties. And I will set this, actually, I've been setting this to lock this to the XY plane. I will set the grid size to finest, quality to detailed. Click modify. And this takes a minute sometimes. That was pretty quick. Close. And then we'll just zoom in to kind of check our results here. Oh yeah, you can see that quite nicely actually. And this, so in this case, I don't know if you want to just show the board itself, Sebastian. Yeah. With this setup, I can probably only accurately measure, say, 3/4 of the strips. Maybe I'll actually demonstrate. I'll show you. What happens is that I think it's important that the probe be perpendicular to the strips, or perpendicular to the plane here. And as you get out here, you can't keep the probe there to measure these strips right up here at the top. And you get poor results where you almost get the opposite. You don't see the strip, you kind of see the gap between the strips, which may work, it may not. I'll probably try and experiment with that later in the week. But yeah, that's basically how this setup works.